Top 4 Best Truck Toolboxes 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. It's built tough with non-rusting aluminum. This Dee Zee DZ8546B utility chest uses 0.56 Brite-Tread aluminum and a protective gloss black powder coat finish, so it holds up well. You get lockable stainless steel paddle handle latches for security and side handles, making it surprisingly portable. This is a solid choice among general-purpose truck toolboxes for versatile storage. Just know it doesn't offer a custom fit, so measure your bed space. If you need dedicated, integrated storage, this isn't it. But for a durable, portable box, it's strong. Number 2. This decked truck bed storage system lets you carry 2,000 pounds on top with organized gear below. It's the ultimate organizer for 2020 current Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 2500/3500 6'6" trucks. Made in the USA from recycled HDPE with a steel subframe, the weatherproof drawers keep items secure. They aren't fully airtight, but closeout panels minimize dust. For tradesmen or overlanders needing serious truck toolboxes, this system's rugged build and included accessories offer great utility. Number 3. Secure automatic access. This decked truck bed toolbox protects your gear among the best truck toolboxes. Its seamless, compression-molded resin resists cracks, dents, or fading. Its steel-reinforced lid, tamper-resistant locks, and over-engineered interface make it hard to break into. Plus, the gas strut lid opens automatically with a button bump. Compatible with most full-size trucks, it's for extreme durability and theft prevention. Fixed dimensions might limit very bulky items, but this truck bed toolbox offers top-tier security and convenience. Number 4. Swings out for instant access to your gear. This UnderCover SwingCase truck bed storage box pivots nearly 180 degrees, bringing up to 75 pounds of tools right to your tailgate. It's perfect for 2019-2025 Silverado/Sierra 1500 drivers. Installation is quick, no special tools needed. It also features a key lockable lid and a moisture seal, keeping contents secure and dry. Plus, it maintains a 3-inch clearance, working with most tonneau covers. Just remember, it won't fit with Carbon Pro beds or Multi-Pro tailgates. For ultimate convenience and secure, accessible storage, this is a top choice for truck owners. Thanks for watching Best Truck Toolboxes. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.